Today's topic is cell phone viruses. These are the various contents today we'll discuss about this. Introduction, the history, the basics, how they spread, types of cell phone viruses, the damage done, protecting your phone, and conclusion. So introduction. They are not just for the computer or internet anymore. Virus, worms, hackers, spam, could they be invading your cell phone? Even the data entered into cell phones can be stolen or infested. Cell phone had automatically started dialing numbers in address book and helped someone to see every number you call and listen to your conversations and steals financial information. History. The first cell phone worm, Celeste Behavior, emerges on 15 June 2004. The first known cell phone virus called Kabir appeared in 2004 and didn't get very far. The Kabir has no malicious capabilities and affects only a small slice of smartphones that run on both sophisticated Symbian operating system and have a Bluetooth connection. Here basics. A cell phone virus is basically same thing as a computer. A cell phone virus or worm spreads via internet downloads, MMS multimedia messaging service attachments and Bluetooth transfers. The current phone-to-phone viruses almost exclusively infect phones running on the Symbian operating system. Smartphone. Unlike many traditional cell phones, smartphones allow individual users to install, configure, and run applications of their choosing. Smartphones can send and receive mobile phone calls, PIM, including notes, calendar, to-do list, communication with laptop or computers, email, instant messaging, play audio and video files. Okay, next Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology. It is a old technology which is a short range of radio technology that allows wireless data transmission between various computing and communication devices up to a distance of 10 meters or 30 feet, offers data transfer rates up to 1 Mbps. Available Bluetooth networks are Piconet, Scatternet. How they spread? Phones that can only make and receive calls are not at risk. Only smartphones with a Bluetooth connection and data capabilities can receive a cell phone virus. They can be spread through internet downloads, Bluetooth wireless connection, multimedia messaging service. Types of cell phone viruses: Kabir, Gavnom, Skulls, Comvarier, Locknet, Fontal. Precautions. Some of the precautions that decrease the chance of installing a virus are: turn off Bluetooth discoverable mode, check security updates to learn about file names. You should keep an eye out for F-Secure, McAfee, Symantec. The damage done. Viruses can send your entire address book as a text file. A virus might access or delete all of your contact information and calendar entries in your phone. It might delete or lock up certain phone applications or crash your phone completely so it's useless. Protecting your phone. The best way to protect yourself from cell phone viruses is the same way you protect yourself from computer viruses. Never open anything if you don't know what it is, haven't requested it, or have any suspicions whatsoever. It's not what it claims to be. Even the most cautious person can still end up with an infected phone. Conclusion. In day-to-day modern world, all the peoples are likely to entertain the music, media channels through a cell phone. So these kind of ferocious, tasty peoples having the nature of creating damage in the system where different interested things available in the market. So you must be careful about the unwanted things occurring in your desktop or screen of your phone. To prevent virus and security attacks, chip vendors, subscribing identity module card manufacturers, mobile handset companies are already engineering new security features for future editions of cell phones. Thank you.